Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Between 5 and 7 days. Proper storage is key. As soon as dinner's finished, wrap any leftover prime rib tightly in plastic wrap and refrigerate or freeze. While it's best the next day, leftover prime rib is good for between 5 and 7 days in the fridge or up to 6 months in the freezer.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Reheat on the stovetop. If you would rather not heat up your oven, you can warm leftover prime rib on the stovetop using a steamer basket. Depending on the size of your pot, add anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of water to the bottom of the pot. Place the steamer basket over the pot and bring the liquid to a simmer.
Take our lead.
You can absolutely freeze prime rib, and it freezes rather nicely. Before you freeze prime rib, you'll want to let it cool before placing it in a freezer bag, but you don't want to leave it at room temperature for more than 2 hours.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.